When you've installed the CQme app and open it for the first time, we ask you to fill in some important information. Personal alarm receivers are the people who will receive your alarms as a text message if you activate the alarm. You can have a maximum of 10 personal alarm receivers. You can either type in this information manually or get it from your address book. We recommend that you inform your personal alarm receivers about the CQme app and that they will get an alarm from you in case of an emergency. Talk about what you want your personal alarm receivers to do in case of an alarm from you. Under My Information, you fill out your name, your address, and your telephone number. This is also where you fill out information about gender, height, weight, and year of birth. None of this information is mandatory, but it can be valuable for an alarm operator that might have to issue a description of you, so it's a good thing to fill them out. You can also describe if you have a serious allergy or health problem. If you want, you can enter your car model and registration number. And you can also upload a photo of yourself. Contact persons are used by alarm operators if you have our alarm center service. This is a list of maximum 3 people that the alarm operator will contact if there is an alarm from you. Just like with your personal alarm receivers, it's important to inform your contact persons about the CQme app and that they will be contacted if there is an emergency and you send an alarm. You can have contact persons that are also personal alarm receivers. This is not a problem. The next view shows what alarm subscription you have. If you want to change your subscription, just click on this button. If you prefer, you can enter all this information on our website. Log in and go to My Account. Here you can also change your mail address and your password if you need to. The final step is the settings for the CQme app. Here you can enter a PIN code that's used to abort an ongoing alarm. This is an extra safety measure so that no one but you can deactivate an alarm. If you don't want a PIN code, disable that function here. You can activate a battery alarm that will send an alarm to your personal alarm receivers if your battery power goes below a certain level. A battery alarm is never sent to the alarm center if you have that service. If you activate the shake function, you can start an alarm by shaking your telephone when the app is in standby mode, which is when the red alarm button can be seen. The next option is the alarm sound. The alarm can either be started silently or with a siren sound. You choose that here. Here you can choose to use the CQme app in test mode. You can use that to test the functions of the app or to show your personal alarm receivers how it works. A test alarm has a text that clearly states that it is a test and it is never sent to the alarm center but only to your personal alarm receivers. Here you can also choose the language. Currently you can choose between English and Swedish. Finally, you can choose how long the time limit should be for the timer alarm. You can choose how many minutes and seconds it should take before the timer alarm is started automatically. If needed, you can always change all this information later. Open the main menu. Under My Account and Settings, you will find all the information that we have talked about in this tutorial. One final detail that's important to know. Our system needs to know where you are so that you can get the help you need if something happens. Therefore, it's important that the GPS in your telephone is switched on. If you start the CQme app and the GPS is not on, you will get a warning. Shut down the app completely, turn on the GPS and start the CQme app again.